In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send DocuSign to multiple signers. By the end, you'll know how to prepare an envelope, add more than one recipient, choose a signing order if needed, place the right fields for each person, and send it off with confidence. Start by logging into your DocuSign account and creating a new envelope. Click New, then Send an envelope, and upload the document or documents you need signed. Once your files are in, you'll land on the Prepare Envelope page. This is where you'll add recipients and set the rules for how the envelope will be routed. Add your recipients by selecting Add Recipient and entering a name and email for each signer. If you're sending to multiple people, just repeat Add Recipient until everyone is listed. If order matters, say a manager must sign before a client, toggle on Set Signing Order and assign the numbers in the sequence you want. If the order doesn't matter, leave it off, and DocuSign will notify all signers at the same time. Take a quick moment to double-check the email addresses before moving on. With your recipients in place, make sure the first signer is selected in the recipient list, and click. Next, to move to the tagging screen. You'll see your document in the center and the Fields panel on the left. From there, choose Signature and click on the document where you want the first signer to sign. Add a Date Signed field near that signature so the date is captured automatically. If your form calls for more than one date, you can drop another Date Signed tag where needed. Always confirm that the correct recipient is selected in the recipient dropdown before placing each field so tags route to the right person. Next, switch the recipient selector to your second signer. Place a signature field where that person needs to sign and add a Date Signed field beside it. Repeat this process for any additional signers you've added. A helpful tip: each recipient's tags are color-coded, which makes it easy to see at a glance who signs where. When you've finished placing fields for everyone, review the document layout and recipient list one more time. If everything looks good, click Send. Your recipients will receive email notifications, and if you set a signing order, the envelope will move from one signer to the next automatically. That's it. Your multi-signer DocuSign envelope is on its way.